We're back at the Princess Margaret Grand Prize Showhome, and there's one more area I'd love for you to see, so come with me and we'll check out the basement. It's a great place to entertain. It's a wonderful spot if you have other people in the neighborhood that would like to come down and relax. You can unwind and still not feel like you were in the basement. These windows are spectacular. This space is flooded with natural light 365 days of the year. This has a complete walkout, which makes this room function more than just your traditional basement rec room. We have an oversized sofa, we have swivel chairs to watch television, and we have a beautiful day bed underneath the windows there, just to showcase all of the natural light that we have and the beautiful outdoors that we can see. This is a space that I think people will use as an extension of the family room. Everything from game night to movie night to just relaxing and unwinding together as a family. Welcome to Lollipop. This is the candy and toy shop that I'm so excited to share with you today. Nothing would be complete without some sweets. So of course, the beautiful custom millwork along the back wall. We have beautiful candy, but also we have some toys. It's no longer about the iPad and the iPhone. It's about playing a game of tic-tac-toe, building crafts, drawing, creating. This is really a child's space to just be young and carefree. This may just look like a quiet little reading nook or homework zone for one of your children, but think again, this is a great little escape for the adults in the family. So come with me to our secret hideaway. Welcome to my Speakeasy. This entire space was created with a tropical feel and meant for adults 19 years of age and older. This underground bar truly does give you the sense of escapism. We have thought of absolutely everything from a stunning island with a marble countertop to a full service fridge. We even have an ice machine and a dishwasher located in this fabulous bar. Everything an entertainer could want and more, complete with its own washroom and a separate private walkout. We can only imagine how much fun you'll have entertaining down here in your Speakeasy. What is not always seen is the amount of time and love that goes into this entire process. From the work with Greenpark as building to the time that I have spent working with them and getting to know them has been an incredible opportunity. There is a lot of love that goes into this, all with the thought of cancer research in the back of our minds and understanding how this home helps touch many lives far beyond these four walls.